Lesson 31, Visiting Rivertown. Bài 31, thăm thành phố Rivertown.
Hello, I'm Emily. Last month, I visited a new city called Rivertown with my family. It was so exciting to explore a new place. We stayed in a hotel in the city center. Our room had a great view of the river and the buildings. In Rivertown, we visited many interesting places. My favorite was the Science Museum. There were lots of cool exhibits, and I learned a lot about space. We also went on a boat tour along the river. It was so much fun to see the city from the water. We saw bridges, parks, and even a castle. For dinner, we tried some local food. I had fish and chips, and it was delicious. I had a great time visiting Rivertown. I hope to go back and explore more someday. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.